And now for today's warm-up. Number 1, identify the slope as positive, negative, 0, or undefined. The slope is the rate of change. So the line, the blue line, is actually changing from left to right. It is increasing. So this would be a positive slope. Number 2, identify the slope. The slope, again, is the rate of change, and we can identify that with the change of y over the change of x. We have one point here. We have another point here that is on the crosshair. Our rise, we take this up until it's even with the other dot, and we take this over until it touches the dot. How many units did it rise? It went up 1, 2, 3 units. How far did it run or go over? It went over to the left 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So we'll call that negative 4. So our slope would actually be positive 3 over negative 4. So m equals positive 3 over negative 4. And number 3, write a linear equation. Our linear equation looks like y equals mx plus b. In order to find the b, or the y-intercept, we look for where the x is 0, which is 8. So right now we have y equals mx positive 8. The only other thing we need to find is the m, or the slope. Take a look here. We look at our rate of change with the x. Is it a constant rate of change? 2 to 0, we're subtracting 2. 0 to negative 2, we're subtracting 2. Negative 2 to negative 4, we're subtracting 2. On the y's, 5 to 8, we're adding 3. 8 to 11, we're adding 3. And 11 to 14, we're adding 3. So our change in y over our change in x would be positive 3 over negative 2, which equals our slope. So now what we have is y equals positive 3 over negative 2 x plus 8.